in order to finish problem number 1, what you need to do is take care of the squared first and then move on and take care of this. So this should remind you of what we've done in class. First, use the box method or FOIL to take care of that x minus 4 squared. So really what it is x minus 4, x minus 4. Okay, keep in mind with the box, what you can do is write two of them, one on the top, one on the side. Okay, go through. X times x is x squared, x times negative 4 is negative 4x, x times negative 4 is negative 4x, and the bottom right is plus 16. Okay, simplifying, usually pretty simple. The top right and the bottom left give you a negative 8x. So what we're going to have is x and then x squared. There's that negative 8x and then plus 16. Okay, your last step, just distribute, distribute, distribute. So that's x cubed minus 8x squared plus 16x. Okay, next we're going to do one of each pair. So number 3, first thing you need to do is factor it out completely. What that usually involves is finding the greatest common factor. So all three of these terms, look for the number and letter that goes into all three. Well, no number goes into all three, but we see x everywhere, so let's factor that out. When you factor out an x from x cubed, it goes down to an x squared. 7x squared goes down to a 7x. 10x goes down to 10. Okay, now factoring out x squared plus 7x plus 10, we can just focus on that. So a positive 2 and positive 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 plus 2 is 7. So what we're going to have is x plus 5, x plus 2. Well, lastly, find the solutions. From your first one, we know x is 0. From this one, we know x is negative 5, so it's always the opposite. And then from this last one, x is negative 2. Okay, number 5. Write the polynomial function in standard form with the given zeros. Okay, well, the three zeros of negative 2, 0, and 4 would be from the following: x minus negative 2, x minus 0, and x minus 4. Okay, so that would give you x plus 2 times x minus 0 just simplifies to x, and then x minus 4. Alright, well, lastly, we need to simplify it like we did number 1. So I'm going to do FOIL or box method on this right here. X plus 2, x minus 4 is going to give you x squared plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. Okay, that's going to give you x squared. Remember, top right, bottom left simplifies to minus 2x, and then minus 8. Okay, last, distribute everywhere. So our final answer, x cubed, x times x squared is x cubed, minus 2x squared minus 8x. Okay, next page, number 8. What we have, division. Okay, we're going to do this all by synthetic division. So first step, check for any missing powers. We see cubed, squared, x in the number, so no missing powers. Next thing, write the coefficient of each one of them. So that's a 1, negative 7, 14, and negative 20. Okay, with a 5 on the side. Okay, bring your number straight down, 1, multiply it by 5, add it up, negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2, multiply again, negative 10, add it up, 4, multiply it again, 20, and add it up and you get 0. Okay, so 0 is your remainder, this last number is your constant, this is your linear term, the middle one, and then it goes up to x squared. So your final answer, 1x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, number 10 is also synthetic division, but what we're checking to see is the remainder equal to 0 at the end. If the remainder is 0 at the end, then it's a factor. Okay, so here's what we're dividing by. Put a negative 2 in the box. Again, check for any missing powers. So we have a cubed, squared, x, and a constant, so no missing powers. Our coefficients are 2, negative 12, 6, and 4. Skip a line. Bring your number straight down. 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Add it up. Negative 16. Double times negative 2 is positive 32. Add it up. 38. Okay, negative 76. Add it up again. Negative 72. Well, this is our remainder. Is that remainder 0? No. So we can say it's not a factor. Next one. Solving the polynomial equations by graphing. Find all real solutions. Okay, what you would want to do